Tolson. I'm originally from Middletown, Ohio. I was active duty Air Force. I retired at Shaw. Been here in Sumter since 2008. And I'd like to introduce you to my wife's Corvette dream car that I just recently finished building her. It's been about a 5-year project. Small block, automatic, nothing real fancy, but it'll get her down the road in class, you know what I mean? It's an original AC car. That's the only thing I got left to do is fix the air conditioning. 48,000 documented original miles on this car. I found it in North Carolina, and there wasn't one piece bolted to the next piece. New transmission, new drive line, new tires, new gas tank, new carpet, new weather stripping. It's been a tedious process, but I think it turned out all right. Happy wife, happy life, right? One of the cool features from 1973, and it was a lot of work to get this thing to work. Check this out. They're electric.